I woke up one morning and most of my teeth had just disintegrated. They just weren't there. Did I swallow them in my sleep? So everybody, boys and girls, brush your teeth very well at night before you go to bed.
The doctor put me on Hennessy in 1972 because I had poor circulation. I take me a little shot glass straight.
Every day?
Yeah, why not?
My name is Myrtle Kaplan. I am 110 months.
I am 107.
100 years and 3 months.
My daughter says I'm 100.
Like now, I don't know how I reached 100. I can't believe it.
Can I ask for your advice on staying so healthy and being in such good shape?
Get enough sleep, eat a good meal, eat spaghetti. I like spaghetti with sauce. You make it, though.
Eat for nutrition, not for taste. I take cod liver oil in the morning. Some people say, cod liver oil. I take it every morning. I take my orange juice and all kind of vegetables, good for your eyes. Apples is like a mild laxative. So if you eat that before you go to bed, well, in the morning, you know where you have to go.
If I get too nervous, it affects my stomach. I do take a certain pill. This doctor I had years ago gave me this pill, and I take it, and it keeps me calm.
I didn't like spicy food, and I didn't like liquor. I never smoked.
I do feel that walking is very important. I try to walk every day.
Make sure you exercise. Some everyday exercise is the best medicine out there.
I used to exercise when I was young with Jack LaLanne. I don't know if you remember him.
Yeah.
I used to get up in the morning and exercise with him.
If your feet hurt, massage it, bend your toes, to your legs, to something. Be like a rubber band all over the place. So.
I used to love dancing. My main thing was the Peabody, if you know that. You go 1, 2, 3, cross, 1, 2, 3, cross, go around. It's hard to explain the Peabody.
Back in those days, in the poorer neighborhoods that didn't have a lot of parks, playgrounds or stuff like that, really. And then you did your own workout. You did your own swings under the fire escapes.
We rode bikes, and we climbed in the White Mountains in New Hampshire.
At my age, you should lie down in the afternoon and rest, because your body can only take so much. You don't need it if you're young and busy and working and keeping busy. That's your life.
If you don't use it, you're going to lose it.